Good morning students. As you all know that our topic fractions and decimal is going on. This is chapter 2 of NCERT book, and in this we have already discussed the fractions. Decimal is going on, and in decimal so far we have discussed about the multiplication of decimals. Multiplication of decimals we have already discussed, and now today we will start the new topic, that is division of decimal numbers. Division of decimal numbers. And before that, let's do one more question. There was a query from some student, and let's do one more question for in the expansion of decimal number. How to expand decimal number? For example, we have decimal number 867.326, and we have to expand this. How we will expand this? As we all know that this is ones, tens and hundreds. Then after the decimal we have tenths, that is 1 by 10, hundredth, that is 1 by 100, and thousandth, that is 1 by 1000. And we have to expand 867.326 in this form. How we will do this? First of all, ones, tens, hundreds. So 8 is 800 plus this 60 is at tens place, so 60, plus this 7 is at ones place, so 7, plus first number after the decimal is 3 and it is written as tenth, 1 by 10, so 3 by 10, plus this is 2, the second number after the decimal at hundreds, 2 by 100, and plus 6, that is 6 by 1000. So in this way we can expand our decimal numbers. 867.326, 800 plus 60 plus 7 plus 3 by 10 plus 2 by 100 plus 6 by 1000. Now let's do the questions on the division of decimal numbers. Question is 0.4 divided by 2. Very simple question. Let's see how we will do the division in case of decimal numbers. Now first of all, the step is convert the decimal number into the fractions form. So 0.4 can be written as 10 by 4 divided by 2. Now the next step is 4 by 10, and this division sign will convert into the multiplication sign, and we will reciprocal, and we will write the reciprocal of the second digit. If this is 2, then we will write 1 by 2. Means division sign converted into multiplication sign, and the second number, or you can say the digit after the decimal sign, we will write its reciprocal. So reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. Here this is 1, this is 2, so 2 by 10, or you can write 0.2. This is the way how we divide and how we do the process of division in fractions, or you can say in the decimal numbers. See the next question. 2.48 divided by 4. Now how you will write this? 2.48 like 248 divided by 100. Decimal is at two places from the right hand side, so 2 zeros will be there, divided by 4. Now 248 divided by 100. Now division sign will change into the sign of multiplication, and this 4 will be the reciprocal. Now here it is 1 and here it is 62. 4 into 62 is 248. So this is 62 by 100. That can be written in the form of 0.6. Now let's see one next question. Question is 3.97 divided by 10. How we can write 3.97? 397 divided by 100 divided by 10 here. Now 397 by 100. This division sign will change into multiplication, and this 10 is 1 by 10. So 397 divided by 1000. Now 3 zeros are there, so decimal will be after the three before the 3 places, 0 after the 3 places, so 397. Here is the decimal and 3 digits after the decimal. It means 3 zeros are at the denominator. So 0.397 is the answer. .5 divided by 0.25. Now see this question. 0.5 can be written as 5 by 10 divided by 25 by 100. 5 by 10 divided by 25 by 100. So this is 5 by 10. This division sign will change into the multiplication sign, and this number will get reversed, or we will write the reciprocal of this number, that is 100 by 25. 10 will deduct here. 5 into 1, 5 into 5. This is 1, this is 2. So the 2 is the answer. .73, this is divided by 1.3. Now 2.73 can be written as 273 divided by 100 divided by 13 divided by 10. Here 273 by 100, this division sign will change into the sign of multiplication, and the number 13 by 10 will be written in the form of its reciprocal, that is 10 by 13. 10 will deduct 13 multiply 1, and this will be like 21. 21 into 13 is 273. So therefore it is 21 by 10, and it is 2.1 is the answer. So these are the few questions that we do on the division of the decimal numbers. Let's see one word problem, the statement question. The question is, each side of a regular polygon is 2.5 centimeter in length. Each side of regular polygon given 2.5 centimeter. The perimeter is given, perimeter of polygon. Perimeter is given 12.5 centimeter. We have to find number of sides. We have to find number of sides. So how will we find this? Each side of regular polygon is given 2.5 centimeter. Perimeter is given 12.5 centimeter, and we have to find the number of sides. So now let's see the formula. Perimeter of polygon is equal to sum of all the sides, and we do not know how many sides are there, and each side of regular polygon is 2.5 centimeter. If we have to find number of sides, then what we have to do, we have to divide the perimeter by the each side. You can say perimeter divided by each side. So perimeter is 12.5 divided by each side is 2.5. So what we have to do here, 12.5 divided by 2.5. Here this is 125 by 10 multiply or divided by 25 by 10. Now 125 by 10 multiply 10 by 25. 10 will deduct. So this is 1 and this is 5. So how many sides is there? 5 sides. And what we call a 5-sided figure? We call 5-sided figure as a pentagon. Pentagon is that figure which consists of 5 sides. Hexagon is 6 sides. So this is the question. Regular polygon 2.5 centimeter each side's perimeter is given, and we have to find the number of sides, that is 5 sides is the answer. This is the example of the NCERT book. Now your homework is you have to practice the questions, that is exercise 2.6 and 2.7, and even the examples as well, and that is based on the multiplication and the division of the decimal numbers. And do practice the examples as well. In the next video we will discuss the doubts and we will do more questions on this topic. So carry on the practice, and you are free to ask your doubts. You can ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. So do practice the questions, and in the next video we will discuss the doubts.